life under construction. It really bites being a zombie. Sitting here by myself, few humans left. Running the world, I'm surviving enough of flesh just to grind to being me, not keeping it fresh. No soul, no heart, and I have no breath. Can't stand this life, feeling so depressed. Nobody likes me, and I can't make any friends, just killing time. Hoping as soon this world ends, can't grow, can't talk, and I can't transcend. I don't even like the way the flesh tastes. Always in my nose is a stench of human waste. I'm starting to kill with such great haste. Not human, not a monster, I'm not this place. When I'm chasing you, I'm feeling chased. In the real world, this is fast paced, and real zombies don't believe in food waste. I'm a beast, I'm flawed, I need to find some grace. Please, 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 please.